Hello YouTube, welcome back to Mac Muscle Cars. Project today is the installation and laying out of this mid-rise scissor lift. So I'll try and do it in layman's terms and for the basics for beginners. So if you've ordered one of these and you do a lot of DIY on either kit cars or just your own classic cars, then this might be the buy for you. So far, after unpacking, everything looks good. There was an issue with some of the wiring in the back has been crushed, which I need to get onto the suppliers for, and hopefully I'll give you some feedback as to how responsive they are in correcting any issues. On the whole, generally looking around it, very well made. As you can see, the control box is very simple to use, simple up and down instructions, and there is a number of lights which tell you obviously power on and positioning and levels, so everything checks out okay on there. In the bottom part of the box is the bottom half is where the oil's stored, and then obviously there's just a hydraulic pump with some lines to fit and to be plumbed in. Initially, all we've done at the moment is lay out the ramps on the floor, built them up and position them, and I've driven a car on just to be sure that everything does line up and it's in the correct positioning for where I want it to in the workshop. And the next step will be to cut the floor, sink it in, and hide the ramps so they're flush, and hide the hydraulics and the cabling, which will run round to the control box. And on my estimation, the control box will fit in that position there on the right hand side of the ramp, so everything should function okay. This particular ramp, as I say, is a mid-rise, so it only goes up about 1 metre. I have a low ceiling on my garage, so hence the reason for that. Retail price is just over £2,000. Is it value for money? I guess so, but still quite dear. I did try and get a deal out of them, but they weren't forthcoming. Since you can get this on eBay for the same price, and obviously you're going to get handling charges and other percentages, they will be deducted off their price. So I was hoping they would maybe give me a little bit of an allowance and make it worth my while buying direct, but they were adamant the price was the price, so hey ho, we bought one. It is perfectly functional and usable as is. You can literally surface mount it. The only problem you do have is when you come to drive over, you've got the thickness of the ramp to drive over, and the ramps on and off. They do need to be anchored if you're going to use them in this position, because they will slide due to whether you're running on with front wheel drive or rear wheel drive. It will try and push or pull the ramp depending how you're climbing on it. Ideal situation is like I'm going to do, sink them in the floor, and that will make them nice and flush, hide them away, and a bit more practical for my use, and just neater all around basically. So I'll give you the next update once we cut the floor and you can see how everything's progressing. So until then, we'll see you next time. Thank you.